Hello everyone. Today we are going to implement AND gate on the Boolean boards. So for that we need to create project. Next, and implementation. It is a project name, RTL project. Next, create file. So and I is a source file. Okay. So next here we need to select our board. So our board is XC7S50 XC7S50 CSGA324. This is our board. So according to your board you just select from here. Next, finish. Module name is, I will keep it same. Yes. Here we need to write our code. So I will write. So for AND implementation we need two inputs. So input A comma B and output is single output. So output Y. Sorry, this it is not a semicolon, it is a comma. So that's why it was showing error. Okay, it's this comma, it is not there. Now assign Y equal to A and B semicolon. So this is the program of our AND gate. So we need to save this. Now we are going to run simulation. So run behavioral simulation. Here, according to the truth table of AND gate, we will give the inputs. So for two inputs there are four possibilities: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So we will check here our expected, means our output is will match to the truth table or not. We will check. So force constant, first I will keep A as 0 and B is 0. Okay, and run it. So A is 0, B is 0, output is 0. Next case, A is 0 and B is 1. Okay, run it. The second time it is 0 and A is 0 and B is 1. So our output is 0. Third case, A is 1, B is 0. Okay, run it. A is 1, B is 0, so output is 0. Last case, A is 1, B is 1. Okay, run it. So 1, A is 1, B is 1, so output is 1. So we verified all the four combinations. means we verified here truth table. So now we are going for RTL analysis. So open a bullet design. Now here we need to do input output planning. So input output planning, see in the sports, these two are the inputs and one is the output. So for the input, the from the boolean, I will show you the boolean board first. This is the our boolean board, and here 16 slide switches are available and 16 LEDs are there. So for the inputs we are using these slide switches, and to observe our output we are using these LEDs. So as here two inputs, so I will use these two slide switches, and one output, so I will use this one LED. So here you can see that name is there. Each slide switches, there is something name is there that we called as a package pin. So for this, some package pin is K1, and this second slide switches, that package pin is K2. You can see on your boolean boards, and for this LED, that package pin is A4. So I will set here package pin. For this input I will K1 is the package pin, K1, and second is the K2, and output LED package pin is the A4. And for each ports there is some input output standards which you can see on your data sheet of the board. So for these boolean boards it's a LV-CMOS 33. So this we need to, this package pin and input output standard we need to set first. So then just save that constant file. So this is the and I constant. Okay, so this our constant file is ready. Now we will go for synthesis, run synthesis. Okay, this synthesis is going on. Here you can see that synthesis is completed. Now we are going for run implementation. Okay, okay, we are going step by step. First we did simulation, then RTL analysis, now synthesis, then implementation. Now we will generate bit stream. This implementation is successfully completed. Now go for the generate bit stream. Okay. So our bit stream is successfully generated. Now we are going to connect our board. So go to the open hardware manager. First you need to connect your board to your computer. Then go to the open target and auto connect. So here you can see that our board is connected. Now we need to program our board. So program device, and this is the bitstream file which we already generated. So we just need to dump this bitstream file on our board. So program it. So this is our board and we dump our bitstream file on this board. Now we are going to verify our code. So see, these are the two input slide switches, and this is the one LED. For 0 0 it is 0, for 0 1 it is still 0, for 1 0 it is 0, and for 1 1 it is 1. So 1 means LED is on. So this is the output of the AND gate. If I will keep 0 0, it is 0, means LED is off. So thank you.